Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a fun little ghosty look, and it is inspired by these earrings. I got these earrings from Love Kills Boutique. I'll have their info down in the description box so you can go check them out. To start off our little ghost face, I'm using this cloud white paint from Bin Nye. It's one of their MagiCakes, just water activated paint, and I'm just following the shape of the ghost on my earring there, and I'm just kind of sketching out the shape I want coming out from my mouth. This look is also inspired from an Instagrammer. Her name is Nicole, I believe that's how you say it. I'll have her Instagram down in the description box as well, so you can check her out because she does some dope looks. Then I'm just filling in that whole ghost with the white paint. I do about 2 layers of the white paint. And I do the same thing on the other side. I already did all of my makeup before this as well. I just wanted to show how to do a cute, quick little Halloween look that you could wear to work, that you could wear going out to like the pumpkin patch, or wherever you're going for your October festivities. Then I'm picking this Epic ink liner from NYX, and I'm going to do the little eyeballs and the mouth on both the ghosts here. And I also outline the ghosts. I try to keep the line as thin as I can with the eyeliner. And you want to make sure those little ghosts are coming right out of your mouth. I'm so pale that I felt like outlining the ghosts were really important because you could hardly see them because my skin is almost already the color of a ghost. And I also did some little detail lines around the ghosts, just to add some spunk to them. Make them look like they were moving. And then I was like, you know what, there needs to be more to this look, so I'm using one of my Kandelove glitters, and this glitter is actually called Ghosts. It's so pretty. It has like pink and orange and purple reflex in it. It's so spooky. And I'm using my glitter primer from NYX Cosmetics. I just like to put that on the back of my hand so it gets nice and warmed up. And then I'm just placing it all over my cheeks like you would like a highlighter. And I'm kind of connecting it to the ghosts. I want it to look like ectoplasm or something, you know? I'm doing it around the ghosts, kind of following the shape of them, and I'm also doing it near my mouth, on the bottoms of the ghosts, so it just looks like the ectoplasm is above and below the ghost. But like I said, this glitter is like purple, orange, green, and a little bit of pink in it, so it's super Halloween-y, and it's also got like silver and white. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed with it. They have great glitters. But that is the end of this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed this fun little spooky look. Super simple, super easy. It's not a full Halloween look, I know, but I still wanted to create something glam and fun. And I will have the info for the earrings down in the description box. They are plugs, so I'm a 1/2 inch. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next Halloween video. Bye!